My experience here was quite good. I was referred to by Dr. Anthony. He's my regular dentist. And this is my first time ever had to do a redo on a root canal. And when I came in, I was treated very good here. And I especially like the personal level that Dr. Angela helped me out, because I was experiencing some pain because I had to wait till my insurance was in force. So I came over here and she was able to give me some antibiotics, and I felt really good about that. I thought that was kind of special. But her staff is excellent as well. And I'm going to be back for more.